Hello children, welcome to mathematics online classes. In today's video from mathematics subject, quadratic equation topic we are going to continue. Our today's concept is children regarding problems on quadratic equations. So in our previous videos, we have completed all the other concepts children. Now based on the other concepts, how to solve problems on quadratic equations that we are going to learn today. So some steps to be followed children for solving the problems on quadratic equations. They are: first we have to read the given statement of the problem carefully. So in the problem, whatever data is given, that we have to read carefully and we have to note down all the given known values and unknown values, and we have to find out required unknown quantity. Whatever unknown quantity is there, that we have to identify, and that unknown quantity we have to assume that it is equal to x. It is equal to x, and the equation or the given statement to be written in the form of an equation in terms of x, unknown quantity. We have to assume unknown quantity as x, and the given statement to be written in the form of an equation in terms of x. Then if we solve that equation, if we simplify and solve that equation, we will get the value of x. So first we have to read the statement carefully, and unknown quantity, what is the unknown quantity that we have to identify? We have to assume it as x, and the statement to be written in the form of an equation in terms of x, and the equation to be simplified, to be solved, to find the value of x. Let's try to understand the concept children with some examples. So here example 25. The question is, find two consecutive natural numbers whose product is equal to 20. Natural numbers means set of natural numbers denoted by symbol n. All the counting numbers are considered as natural numbers. The numbers starting from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, they are considered as natural numbers. So here we have to find two consecutive, means side by side, one after another, one after another, like the natural numbers whose product is equal to 20, that we have to find out. Now 1, 2 are consecutive natural numbers, like that, 2, 3, like that, 3, 4, 4, 5. These two are the pairs of consecutive natural numbers. But we have to solve with the help of quadratic equations. So here the two consecutive natural numbers are unknown quantities. Suppose if 1, 2 are consecutive natural numbers, means if 1 we assume it as x, then the next consecutive number will be x plus 1. One more than the previous one will be its consecutive. So we can assume the two consecutive natural numbers as x and x plus 1, because the difference between any two, not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the difference between any two consecutive numbers will be 1. So first number, if we assume it as 1, assume as x, then the next consecutive number will be x plus 1. So two consecutive natural numbers are x and x plus 1, but in the question they have given that their product is equal to 20. So x into x plus 1 equal to 20. If you multiply x into x, x square, x into 1, x, If 20, if we take to LHS part, it will become minus 20. So x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. So how to solve this? By using factorization. So AC we have to multiply. A value is 1. 1 into minus 20, minus 20. This is AC. To be splitted into two terms such that their sum equal to middle number x coefficient plus 1. So product should be equal to minus 20. Sum should be equal to plus 1. So we can take 5 and 4. 5 4 times 20. But we need plus 1. Means plus 5 minus 4 we can take. So that plus into minus, minus 5 into 4, 20. Product is minus 20. Plus 5 plus minus 4 equal to plus 1. Sum is plus 1. So the middle term to be splitted. The middle term to be splitted into 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. In first two terms, x is common. In x square, 1x will remain. Here 5 will remain. In next two terms, minus 4 is common. X will remain. In 20, 4 into 5, 4 went out means 5 will remain. But minus we have taken common, symbol will change. Plus equal to 0. Again, x plus 5 is common here. If we take x plus 5 common, x is remaining here, minus 4 is remaining here. X minus 4 will be the second factor. So the sum of two factors equal to 0, which means x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5, x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. So we are getting the values x equal to minus 5, x equal to 4. But here the condition is we have to find the natural numbers. We have got the unknown values, x values, but that x value should be a natural number. So here x equal to minus 5 is not applicable for this condition. So we can remove x equal to minus 5. So since x must be a natural number, x value is 4. And what are the required numbers? We have assumed them as x and x plus 1. Means 4 and 4 plus 1. That is 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are the natural numbers whose product is 20. Like this children, normal word problem, we can convert into a quadratic equation and we can find the solutions. Next children, 26th one. The sum of the squares of two consecutive whole numbers is 61. Find the numbers. We have given that the sum of squares of two consecutive whole numbers is 61. Let the whole numbers be x and x plus 1. Let the whole numbers be x and x plus 1 because they have given consecutive whole numbers. Means one after another. If one is x, next one will be x plus 1. So let the consecutive whole numbers be x and x plus 1. Then they have given that sum of squares means x square is x square, x plus 1 square is x plus 1 whole square. These are the squares. We have to take their sum, which is equal to 61. Which is equal to 61. So the given statement can be written in the form of this equation. This equation. This is to be simplified and solved. X square, let's keep it as it is. X plus 1 whole square means it is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a we have x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. 2 into x into 1, 2 into x into 1 equal to 2x. 1 square equal to 1. So this is a simplified form. If 61 comes to LHS part, it will become minus 61 equal to 0. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 61 minus 60 equal to 0. So 2 we can take common, or we can divide the entire equation by 2. Why? Because we should always have 1 as coefficient for x square term. But here we are having 2 here. Let's divide all the terms with 2. 2x square by 2, x square, 2x by 2, x, 60 by 2, minus 30, 0 by 2, 0. 0 by 2, 0. Here a is 1. The product of AC is 1 into minus 30 to be divided into 2 terms such that their sum equal to middle number plus 1. So we can take 6 into 5, 6 5 times 30, but we need plus 1 plus 6 minus 5. So the product is minus 30, sum is plus 1. So the middle term to be splitted, x square to be splitted into 6x minus 5x minus 30 equal to 0. In first 2 terms, x is common, x plus 6 will come. In next 2 terms, minus 5 is common, x plus 6 will come, equal to 0. Again, x plus 6 common, x minus 5 will remain. So 2 factors equal to 0, product of 2 factors equal to 0. First factor, x plus 6 equal to 0. Second factor, x minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to minus 6, x equal to 5. But it is given that the given numbers are whole numbers. So x equal to minus 6 is not a whole number. We can omit this solution. We can take this solution, x equal to 5. So as x is a whole number, x equal to 5 we can take. So the required numbers are x and x plus 1 means 5 and 5 plus 1 means 5 and 6. 5 and 6, such that the sum of their squares equal to 61. 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36, which is equal to 61. Next year, 27th question. The sum of 2 natural numbers is 8. If the sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15, find the 2 numbers. The sum of 2 natural numbers. Suppose we have first number, we have second number, their sum is 8. Their sum is 8. Suppose if we assume first number as x, then second number we don't know, let's keep as it is, equal to 8. Then second number equal to 8 minus, if this x goes out that side, it will become 8 minus x. So if the sum of 2 natural numbers 8 means, what does it mean? Means one number will be x, another number will be 8 minus x. So that x plus 8 minus 6 equal to xx get cancelled, sum will be 8. Sum will be 8. So as per this given statement, we can take the unknown quantities as x and 8 minus x. X and 8 minus x. Next, another hint also they have given. If the sum of their reciprocals is 8 by 15. Reciprocal means for a by b, b by a is the reciprocal. Interchanging numerator and denominator, by interchanging that we will get the reciprocal. The reciprocal of x is 1 by x. Just we have to interchange numerator and denominator. Now sum of reciprocals. Reciprocal of x is 1 by x. Reciprocal of 8 minus x is, means 8 minus x by 1 we have. If there is nothing means by 1 we can keep. Its reciprocal will be 1 by 8 minus x. 1 by 8 minus x. So their sum is 8 by 15. Their sum equal to 8 by 15. Now LCM children, if you take LCM, x into 8 minus x is the LCM. Here x is there. Remaining term 8 minus x. With that we have to multiply 1. 8 minus x into 1. 8 minus x. We have to take in the numerator part. And here 8 minus x is there. X is missing. With that x we have to multiply 1. X into 1. X we have to keep in the numerator. Middle symbol we have plus. Plus we can take. Equal to 8 by 15. So minus x plus x gets cancelled. 8 by x into 8. 8x. X into x. X square. Equal to 8 by 15. If we cross multiply, 15 into 8, 120. 8x into 8, 64x. X square into 8, 8x square. This we are getting. But if we write x square term first, if we take this term here, it will become 8x square. Next, minus 64x. Here, plus 120 equal to 0. So, after interchanging the values, after transposing the values, you will get 8x square minus 64x plus 120 equal to 0. But x square coefficient should be 1. Let's divide with 8, all terms. 8x square by 8, x square. 64x by 8, 8x. 120 by 8, 15 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, if you do factorization, AC value 1 into plus 15, we will get 15 to be split into two terms. Their sum should be middle number minus 8. So we can take 3 5 times 15. 3 5 times 15 means, but we need minus 8. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus into minus plus 3 into 5, 15. Product is 15. Sum is minus 8. So we can split the middle term. X square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. We can split the middle term into minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. In first two terms, x is common. X minus 5 will remain. In next two terms, minus 3 is common. X minus 5 will remain. Again, x minus 5 we can take common. X minus 3 will remain. Means x minus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Means x equal to 5 or x equal to 3. If x equal to 5, the numbers are x and 8 minus x. Means 5 and 8 minus 5 or 5 and 3. 5 and 3. If x equal to 3, the numbers are x and 8 minus x, 3 and 8 minus 3, or 3 and 5. In two cases, same numbers we are getting. So the required numbers are 5 and 3. The required numbers are 5 and 3. So that their sum equal to 8 and reciprocals of their sum equal to how much? 8 by 15 they have given. Let's cross check it. 5 3 LCM 15. 5 3 times 15. 3 into 1 3. 3 5 times 15. 5 into 1 5. 3 plus 5 is 8 by 15 equal to 8 by 15. So our solutions are true. Like this we can solve children. Next year, last example. Example 28. So divide 16 into two parts such that twice the square of larger part exceeds square of smaller part by 164. We have to divide 16 into two parts. If one part, if we assume it as 6, another part will be 16 minus x, so that their sum is equal to 16. So if one part is x, other part is 16 minus x. And one more thing, what they have given, twice the square of larger part exceeds the square of smaller part. Here, two parts are x and 16 minus x. So x is the larger part, 16 minus x will be the smaller part. Twice the means 2 times the square of larger part. Square of larger part exceeds means more than square of smaller part. Square of smaller part by how much? 164. Means the difference of larger part and smaller part is 164, because the first one is exceeding the second one by 164, means it is more than 164 of the second part. So the given statement in equation form we can write like this. Now we have to solve this one. We can take as it is, minus of this one. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, whose formula is a square minus 2ab minus b square, sorry, plus b square. So here a square 256, b square x square 2ab minus 32x minus 164 equal to 0. So we have to simplify, children, and we have to divide with any other term if x square coefficient is other than 1, and we have to factorize. We will get the values. So that's all for today, children. So thank you for watching our video, children. Have a good day.